Hello and welcome back to Programming with Arshad. In this video series of advanced Python tutorials, we had already discussed about few amazing modules in Python. Finally, we created an amazing virtual desktop assistant which will take our command and it will respond to our command, and also it will perform a specific action according to our command. Now, what if you don't know Python programming language, or else you are not good at Python programming language, or you want to learn Python programming language? I am here again with an amazing video series of Python tutorials with Arshad. In this video series, I am going to teach you Python programming language completely for free of cost. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Arshad and save this playlist by clicking on this star button present at the top right corner of browser. Share this video series to your friends also so that they also can learn Python programming language for free. Now before starting our Python programming, first of all we will see what are the advantages and applications of Python programming language. Actually, there are so many advantages in Python programming language. We can use third-party modules here, extensive support libraries. Actually, modules are pre-written Python code which we can import in our program and we can use that. We will see more about these modules in our further videos. And also, the Python is open source and community development. It is easy to learn. Yeah, Python is one of the most easiest programming language. Fifth one, user-friendly data structures. And also, you know that Python is high-level programming language. And the seventh one is dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language means we no need to mention the data type while assigning a value to a variable. And also Python is object oriented language. We can create our own classes and objects using Python. Python is portable and interactive, portable across operating systems. Python can run equally on all platforms like Windows, Linux, Macs, etc. And the applications of Python there are actually so many applications of Python. We will see few here. Python is used to create GUI based desktop applications. We can also create games using Python. And second one is web framework and applications. Django and Flask are the famous and most popular web frameworks of Python. We can also create enterprise and business applications using Python. Now in this video we will see the installation of Python and Visual Studio Code. I am opening my Chrome browser. For downloading Python, just type python.org in your browser. It will be redirected towards the official website of Python. Then click on downloads. I am using Windows here. You can download this 3.8.5. In this video series I am going to use 3.7. All you need to do is just click on 64 executable installer. I have already downloaded this Python file. Now we will see how to download Visual Studio Code. Further, just type Visual Studio Code in your browser. Then enter into this first website code.visualstudiocode.com. Just click on this download button. Your Visual Studio Code will be downloaded. Now we will see the installation of Python and Visual Studio Code. Just double click on that executable file and then check this box, add Python 3.7 to path. It's very important, and then click on install now. Then click on yes. It will take some time for installation. Here you can see here setup was successful. I am clicking on this close button and now we will install our Visual Studio Code. Double click on this executable file. After that, check this box, I accept the agreement, and then click on next. Again click on next and then again click on next. Check these two boxes, add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu, and also check this box, add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu, and then click on next and then click on install. Now it is installing our Visual Studio Code and then click on finish. Now we had successfully installed our Visual Studio Code and also Python. Now if you want to use PyCharm, you can also use that. I am comfortable with Visual Studio Code. Now here I am creating a folder named as Python tutorials. I am entering into this folder and then here right click and then click on this open with code. Now our Visual Studio Code will be opened. Now I want to create here a Python file. For that, click on this button and enter name. I am giving here name as main.py. After creating a Python file, just restart this again. While learning a programming language, the first thing we all do is printing hello world on our console. Now I am doing the same thing here. Actually, we had already discussed that Python is one of the easiest programming language. We no need to use any kind of boilerplates here. For printing hello world, just use print keyword and enter text here as hello world. And then run this program by clicking on this button. You can see here it has printed hello world on my console. Okay guys, that's all in this video. We had seen how to install Python and Visual Studio Code. Before ending this video, I am requesting you once again that save this playlist. I am going to add all my Python tutorials in this playlist only. The link of this playlist will be available in description. Don't forget to share this playlist of Python tutorials with Arshad to your friends. And I will see you next time with another amazing video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.